Hello, today I'll show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone at the same time. This method works even if your Android smartphone is single SIM and even if you use your second SIM on a non-smartphone device. For this to work, we shall be using an app called Parallel Space. In the Play Store, type Parallel Space and install this app. Once it's finished installing, just tap Start. Here in this menu you can select what type of app you wish to clone. Now we shall just open WhatsApp, and from now on it's just like setting up a regular WhatsApp account. Tap I agree and continue, enter your phone number and tap next when you're done. If your SMS won't appear, just tap call me. And that is it. Just enter the numbers you received and you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once that is done, you can just reopen Parallel Space, tap and hold on the WhatsApp icon and create a shortcut. Now you have WhatsApp on your main screen. I hope this video helped you. Feel free to leave a comment if it did. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more of these videos. Until next time, have a nice day.